Number 19 is asking us to do 4 different operations with this function f of x is equal to negative 8x plus 2. So with the first one, f of x, whatever this number is in here, you're plugging that into here, and it's really just telling you to plug in an x where you see an x. So it's a little bit meaningless, because if you have an x and you're just plugging an x, you're going to get the original problem. F of 3, so I'm just going to copy my original function, and instead of x here, you want to plug in 3. So if I simplify this, I get negative 22. With the third one, I want to copy my function, and I'm not just plugging in a number like 3 on the last one, I'm plugging in x plus 3. So I want to plug in x plus 3 here. And then if I distribute, this is going to be negative 8x minus 24 plus 2. And then if I combine like terms, negative 8x minus 22. Okay, then lastly we have f of x plus f of 3. Now this is interesting because it's actually 2 different problems. We have the f of x, we have the f of 3. Those are 2 different answers, and whatever we get from those, we need to combine into one answer by adding them. So f of x is negative 8x plus 2. F of 3 is negative 8 plus 2, and I'm plugging in a 3, and then I'm adding them. So this will be negative 8x plus 2. This will be a minus 24 and a plus 2. And then if you combine like terms, this will be negative 8x minus 20. And that'll be our answer. Now, if you kind of look at some of the work that we've already done, you might have noticed that we already had f of x. So we could just take negative 8x plus 2. And we already had f of 3, which was just negative 22. And you're adding them, so that will be negative 8x minus 20. So if you want to take the previous work that you've already done and just add those up, you can, versus starting from scratch, which is what I did here. But as long as you get negative 8x minus 20, then you're okay.